The Kobalt 24-volt Max Lithium-Ion Cordless Combo Kit comes with 4 essential tools that help you complete a wide range of projects. The kit comes complete with a drill driver, impact driver, reciprocating saw, and an LED flashlight. A compact and ergonomic half-inch drill driver delivers 650 inch-pounds of torque and provides high performance with 2 speed settings to take on demanding drilling and fastening applications. It even has an auxiliary handle. With the 1/4-inch impact driver, you'll drive fasteners effortlessly and make short work of tough jobs. With 3 speed settings, a variable speed trigger, and a finish function, you get greater control to set fasteners to the proper depth every time. The reciprocating saw makes 1 1/8 inch cuts at 3,100 strokes per minute to quickly cut through a wide variety of materials. It has a safe, comfortable grip and features an adjustable shoe so you can change the cut area and use blades most efficiently. Each tool in this handy kit features a convenient built-in LED light that comes on automatically when the trigger is pulled. The LED flashlight outputs 200 lumens. It has an adjustable head that can rotate 135 degrees and a convenient hanger. It also includes a 4-amp-hour battery pack and charger, 2 belt clips, and a convenient carrying bag to keep it all together. Compatible with all Kobalt's 24-volt high-capacity lithium-ion batteries, these tools provide impressive power and extended runtimes. And the batteries even have a built-in fuel gauge that tells you how much charge remains at just a glance. Give yourself the advantage of 4 powerful and versatile cordless tools with Kobalt's 24-volt Max Lithium-Ion Combo Kit.